What's up, Airsoft operators? This is my new conversion kit for the KWA MP7. The conversion kit allows you to run high pressure air and mid-cap mags. First thing you're going to want to do when you get the kit, install the mag. You'll notice that some of the BBs don't line up properly, but that isn't a problem. The conversion kit drops right into the MP7 without any modifications. Just go ahead and hook up your high pressure air. You're ready to shoot. Also works well in full auto. One of the bad things about it is the slide doesn't lock back on the last round, so you have to listen for the noise change. Now you can just drop the empty mag out. Two of the BBs fall out. I'm just going to take the mag out of the gun so you can see the BBs stay inside the original magazine, the KWA magazine. So all you have to do is take a new mag, drop it in, make sure it's locked, and start shooting again.